guys, welcome back to my declutter series. Now we're going to be doing shoes. I'm actually really excited about pulling all my shoes out and sorting them out. It's actually really reinvigorating getting rid of things. I feel like I'm cleansing myself a little bit. I just had to throw my hair up and take my headband off because it was hurting my head. So I'm looking a little bit rough, but I feel like I'm cleaning. I don't need to look glamorous, do I? So I'm sorry about that. I'm sorry that I look a mess. But it's all fun because it's shoes, and I might try a few shoes on for you as well. Some of the oldies but goodies that I have hidden in my wardrobe. So yeah, let's just jump in. This is just the shoe boxes filled with shoes, and that's not even close to these plastic boxes which have quite a few shoes in each one of them, because I tried to stack them. I tried to fill the boxes as much as I can, so I kind of made a bit more room for myself. This is going to take a long time, I think. A lot of shoes. I mean, they're all on the floor. They're everywhere. So I really don't know how I'm going to do this. I think I just need to tackle the boxes first that are on the bed, because then I can recycle any boxes that I don't need anymore and either sell or charity shop the rest of the shoes, because all my shoes are actually in very good condition. It's just whether or not I need them anymore. But we'll see. And then I'll probably try a few on for you as well, if I can. So I have my running trainers, which I love, and these are my Nike Zoom trainers. They're like fly knits. I love them. These are great for the gym. They also smell like the gym. Gross. And I also have my Nike New Balance, which I love. They're my also gym trainers. I also walk the dog in them. They've got the dog hair all over. Lovely. I'll try and fit those in together. I'm going to keep both of those because I do love those. Oh, look at these. Look at these beauties. I love these shoes. These are like my summer strappies. I've got a few summer strappy sandal booty type shoes. These are some of my favourites because they're nude. Everyone asks me about these, everyone. So they're a keeper because I love them. I have these little black heeled shoes, pointy heeled shoes. I think they're really cute, but do I need them? I don't really know if I need them. They're in the I'm questioning pile. I'll come back to those. Do you know how old these shoes are? These are my old Topshop kind of dolly shoes. Oh, they're cute, but I think I'm gonna get rid of them. They're gone. I have some brand new black suede pointy flat. These are from ASOS as well, and I love these. I've never worn them, so I'll keep those for now. Ah, here we go. So I've got my Free People tan leather sandals, and then also my Oasis kind of small hip block heel tan sandals as well, which I love. They're great for summer, so they're cute. I've got these old office black boots, which I'm actually going to get rid of because I now have my Doc Martens. So these are to go. So let's just pop those out of there and put those in the bag. Bye! They gotta go. Oh, more sandals. So I've got these. Oh, these are in pristine condition. These are my new look sandals. They're literally like brand new. I have worn them a few times. They're just pristine condition. So I'm saying really great for holiday, but I also have my Birkenstock ones. So do I need both? They are really cute. I'm going to keep them. My coral sandals, also a keep, because I love them. I've got some, Echo likes the, I've also got some like woven ones, which I wore these every day in Athens. They're such great shoes to walk in. Lie down, Echo, please. I've got some very brand new Oasis yellow flip-floppy type sandals. I really love these. I love them because I bought them initially because I love the yellow. And then I've also got some more black sandals, but these are more like Grecian ones, the ones that got your leg. They're really nice. They also keep holiday shoes. Oh, I have, oh, they're lovely. Some nude faith pointed flat shoes. In all honesty, I haven't worn these in a long time. They're in really good condition. But I think I'm going to get rid of them because I can't see myself wearing them again. I've got some Topshop Boggs, which I love. These are so comfortable, and I love that they've got the white, the brown, and then obviously the black faux leather. So I'll keep those. Great for work. These are leather boots that I purchased from eBay when I was 18, and I've had them all this time, and they're still in, you know, decent condition. They're actually real leather, so they've kind of kept their look about them. I think I'm going to sell them if I can. I mean, they are very worn, but they're worn with love, I think. So I'll see if I can sell them. If not, they'll go to a charity because I think someone will pick these up. I'll just clean them up a little bit, but I think it adds to the character. They're a bit more rustic. But yeah, I do love them. But bye shoes. I've got some new look kind of woven shoes. I think I'm going to throw these in the bin. They're actually a bit unloved. They've got to go. Oh, okay. So these, I've got some waterproof kind of aqua shield shoes. These were for when I went to Mauritius, when Gary and I got engaged, and he bought us these so we could go on like the water, like do water skiing and stuff. I'm really not that kind of girl. I'm awful at stuff like that. And I'm not a very good swimmer, but they're great to obviously go in the water with. Like if you want to go snorkeling or something like that, or scuba diving, they're really good for that. So I'll keep those because I think they're such good shoes to have. Even more sandals. Oh my gosh. So I have more Free People sandals, which I love. These are kind of like more Grecian style sandals, but they're very different from the other ones. And I love how these are on. Although I think they're for wider feet, because when they are on, they do look a bit wide on me. But anywho, I do love them, so I'm going to keep those. And they cost a lot of money. So I have my lime green Topshop shoes, which I love. These I wear every single summer, and they're so comfortable, and they look really cute with mom jeans. So I'm going to keep those. Okay, so I'm going to throw these. These were some kind of, I don't know what this type of shoes called, but I love them because they were yellow and everyone wanted them because they just loved how they look, but they're just a little bit scraggy now. So I'm going to get rid. Oh, it's hard to say goodbye to shoes that you love, but goodbye shoes. Oh yeah, okay. These are just a no-brainer. These are my office brogues for work. I love them. They're amazing. Keep them. So I bought these in the sale on ASOS, and I think they're super cute on, but But they're so difficult because you can't bend your feet. But I feel like they're just so pretty that they were worth buying. Well, I thought they were, although I haven't worn them. But they just look like so cute on, but I've never worn them, so I'm going to get rid of them. I'm going to sell them because they're brand new. I've just never worn them. But someone else would love them, I'm sure. I have a million pairs of Converse, which I'm going to do a separate video on my Converse. And I'm going to keep all of my Converse trainers because I love them. So I'm just going to put them there because I actually want to do a separate video on those. Oh yeah, I forgot about these. My block heel black sandals. These are from Topshop. They cost me £29. I remember the price because I was surprised. I love them. They look so cute on and they're great for work. Right, so now on to heels because I have so many heels. Actually, I don't have that many anymore. These are my Topshop ones. Pretty much every heel I own is Topshop or ASOS or Oasis now, actually. These are just so lovely, but they're so high. And I used to go clubbing in these. But they're just super duper cute. So I'm going to keep them because I do love them. And one day I may wear them again. I already know out of the heels what I'm going to get rid of. They're still the same heels that I had in my shoe collection video, which I did in like 2015. I'll link it above for you because I've got some really funny comments on that of from really strange men. But I've got some really orange shoes that I am going to get rid of because as cute as they are, I just don't think I'm ever going to wear them. Like, they're like so cute, but I'm never going to wear them again. I wish I was that girl to wear heels to work. I wish I was. I think they're going to go. The rest I'm keeping, so yeah, that's fine. I'll keep those. Now onto this lot. There's so many shoes. Echo's finally fallen asleep. She's bored. I need to get the vacuum up here and vacuum down there. But so far, so good. I'm getting rid of some stuff. These are my boots. I love boots. I'm keeping these. These are amazing. So that was my shoe declutter slash organise. I've still got a few shoes which are my Converses over there, which I actually need to sort out, but I want to do a separate video on showing my Converse collection because I'm quite proud of it, and also I love Converse. If anyone that knows me, I'm a bit obsessed with them, so I will do a separate video on that. Look at my hair, it's just got so messy. So I'm quite proud of how it looks at the moment. It's all very organised. I actually need to go through it again once all my clothes are out because I want to put them in kind of season order, and also kind of what I wear to work, what I wear outside of work, and organise it that way, which I'll do once all my clothes are out because at the moment they get in the way, and hopefully after I've decluttered my clothes it won't be much of an issue. So far so good. I'm quite proud of how much I've actually started to get rid of. So those are just like shoes and bags at the moment. And then in the hallway there's going to be a few bags. There's already a bag of clothes which I've put out there from that I started doing and then I decided to film. So that's out there, but I'll show you as I go along, as I fill up the bag. And obviously those are the heels and boots I'm still questioning on whether to get rid of or not. And there's Henry and Echo and all the other mess that's in my room. So I'm getting there, slowly but surely I am getting there, and I'm excited to have a clean, organised wardrobe. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell if you're interested in seeing the rest of this Declutter Organised series. And obviously it really helps and support me. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and God, look at this hair. And I'll see you next time. Bye.